Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be in the United Kingdom at the invitation of UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer. This marks his fourth official visit to the United Kingdom as Prime Minister. He will be formally signing the historic India-UK Free Trade Agreement. What does the free trade deal mean? Why does it matter so much? How will it impact New Delhi-London ties? This is Quick Take, your quick guide. I'm Smita Prakash. Negotiations began in 2022. On May 6, 2025, both sides finalized the deal. On May 9th, Prime Ministers Modi and Starmer formally announced it over a call. They described it as historic and strategic.
We believe that this visit by the Prime Minister will contribute further to consolidating these strong ties and contribute to peace, prosperity and security in the Indian Ocean region that both of us inhabit.
For Britain, it's the largest bilateral trade deal since Brexit. For India, it means a stronger global trade presence. What's in the deal? India will cut tariffs on 90% of British goods sold in India. This includes whiskey, electronics, medical devices, chocolate, salmon and lamb. For example, tariffs on whiskey and gin will drop from 150% to 75% initially and to 40% by the year end. India will also reduce auto tariffs from over 100% to just 10%. These cuts are worth over $534 million annually now. That figure is expected to double over 10 years. Britain will remove tariffs on 99% of Indian exports, including textiles, jewelry, toys, and auto parts. This will help Indian exporters gain easier access to the UK market. Overall, the deal is expected to raise bilateral trade by $34 billion annually by 2040. For the UK, the boost to its economy could be around $6.4 billion. Why this visit matters? This agreement will be formally signed during Prime Minister Modi's visit from July 23rd to 24th. The legal text still needs final ratification before coming into force, probably in 2026. PM Modi's visit underscores the political importance and momentum behind the deal. It's also a signal that India and the UK are deepening their strategic partnership, reaching beyond trade into shared economic and geopolitical cooperation. But wait, what about immigration? The UK wants more Indian goods, yes, but fewer Indian people. Indians are the largest group of international students in the UK. Over 130,000 Indian students were enrolled in UK universities last year. But now, things are changing. Skilled worker visas need a university degree, not just A-levels. Social care visas are gone. Post-study work visas are being cut down from 2 to 3 years to just 18 months. Even family and student visa rules are being tightened. The UK says it wants to reduce net migration. In 2024, nearly 37,000 Indian students left the UK, the highest among all nationalities. Many say they feel unwelcome. So the message Indians hear? Britain wants Indian products, but fewer Indians. So what now? India gets cheaper access to the UK market. British companies get entry into world's fastest growing economy. Consumers benefit from more choices and lower prices. The true benefit of this trade deal can only be seen in the upcoming years. This deal is more than trade. It represents India as an equal partner in global agreements. It's a sign of ambition, growth, and international respect.